Hi, I'm Kenna. Today I'm going to show you how simple it is to install fireballs in your fireplace. But first, what are fireballs? These little beauties are actually made of the same exact material as a ceramic fire log, all the way down to the ceramic used to finish the balls. The fireball look has become a very popular and trendy design choice to add an architectural touch and unmatched elegance to your indoor fireplace or outdoor fire pit. Okay, let's get this show on the road. First, I'm going to install my new pan burner. This burner is the perfect choice for use with fireballs, as it includes a special metal plate over the burner, which allows you to easily stack the balls. Perfect! Now that our burner is installed, we are ready to place our fireballs on the burner. Now, how easy was that? Let's light these babies up. Thanks for watching my video. To get this elegant look for yourself, go to diamondfireglass.com.